There was just so much chaos going on anyway, I couldn't even hear myself talk to you. So we have eventually come here. Hello guys! We are, well, that was Tottenham Court Road Station. There's Usher there. We're kind of, I'm not sure where we're heading. We're heading in this direction towards, well, we're going back to Chinatown. You've already been to Chinatown with us once, but we're going back because Usher wants to get some surprises for some people for something. So I don't think I can tell you. But yeah, so we're going to head there. And then we're going to go somewhere else to get some more surprises for some more people. But yes, Usher is leaving London this Thursday. This is kind of like her last weekend, the last weekend in London. So she's kind of loading up on all the London goodness stuff, something.
This was my interest with us musical.
Yes. Ah, yes, so this is Denmark Street.
Yeah.
This is Denmark Street, so kind of where, well, what used to be quite a big, there's still a bit of music there, but like music shops and stuff, but there used to be a big hub for musicians.
It is still.
It kind of still is, but not, I don't think, to the scale it used to be. Yeah, so that's it for now, until we get to somewhere about something. Yes, see you there, wherever that is. Okay, so with the magic of the YouTube internet editing magic, we're now in Hyde Park. Da-da-da.
So different.
Yeah, the feeling in here is so much different. I got a bit overwhelmed up on wherever we were in Chinatown and everything. We did go to Chinatown. We had some bakery stuff. Obviously I've already kind of put that in a vlog, so I didn't really film it. There was just so much chaos going on anyway, I couldn't even hear myself talk to you. So we have eventually come here. A bit of peace and quiet before, I don't know, something. So yeah, and I can actually talk to you probably, which is nice.
Yeah, and
green. Da -da -da -da. Yes. As you can kind of see there behind me is a lake?
yeah.
I think it's a man-made lake. I assume it's a man-made lake. It's called the Serpentine. And within Hyde Park there's also the Serpentine Gallery, which I guess is named after the lake. We're going to head around this side. Obviously you can see there's like loads of ducks and birds and things that people are feeding. We're going to go around the other side and try and catch the sunset, because it is just about time for the sun to go down. This way. Oh, that way. This way?
Yeah.
This way. Hang on. Oh, it's windy. Can't you see?
Yay!
Voila, there we go. Okay. Something that Usher's just noticed on this urn thing. It says, in memory of Queen Caroline, wife of George II, for whom belong water and the Serpentine. So like I said, this is like the Serpentine kind of lake. for whom, yeah, they were created between 1727 and 1731. So there you go. So they were actually created, as I was thought they were, man-made for the Queen at the time. So there you go. Bit of knowledge there downloaded for you. Yes. Okay, sunset is happening over that way. As you can see as well, there's all these little squirrels. Squirrel. Oh, that's a cherry tree, you know?
Where is this?
Oh, yeah. Squirrel up here.
Oh wow! You can see the bomb.
There. And yeah, this is a nice cherry tree. Cherry tree. Da-da-da. The sun is going down over there. We are obviously here on the lovely lakes. I haven't actually seen this many like geese, bird, waterfowl ever, I don't think. I think because it's just after kind of spring, so there's quite a lot of full grown geese and things that haven't really flown away yet. But yeah, back down there, which I think I did film a little bit, yeah, there's just like droves of them, hundreds everywhere, which is quite interesting. Yeah, well, we're going to keep, I think, walking down this way. Not sure where we're heading exactly. Don't really have a plan. But, yeah, just keep following, see what happens. Actually, one thing I forgot to mention was that this, I believe, is the Lido. So you can actually swim in here. I'm not sure if it's this bit or is that, yeah, I think it's this bit that's kind of cornered off. So if you do feel like coming for a swim, you can do it in central London, out in the air, in the Serpentine Lido. Oh yeah, see, so you can step down there, swim, etc, etc. As the sun has kind of gone down, we're losing daylight, so I thought we're going to head home. So I thought might as well sign it off there. There's some interesting stuff down that way. But yeah, it's getting a bit dark. I think, do they close the park? I'm not sure. Maybe they don't.
Maybe not.
Maybe not, maybe not. Anyway, we're going to head home. Oh, what's he doing? Trying to catch the ducks.
Over there is that new statue of Diana. Over there, because I've been there.
Apparently over there's a new statue of Diana.
That was
I don't think you can see it
opened by
very well.
William.
And also over this way down, we walked past like a memorial fountain for her as well. Wasn't actually going. I think they're maybe because of something.
It's not warm enough.
Not warm enough? Not enough
As
water?
in summer, yeah.
Something rather. Anyway, so yes, we are going to sign off here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, consider subscribing. Make sure you give it a like, comment down below. Anything else we need to see in London before we might go somewhere, something. And
Come and check out the park.
yeah, come and check out Hyde Park. That's it.
Bye.
So yeah, until next time, keep on drifting.